It's the fourth edition of India Story, one of the most prestigious events that Kolkata witnesses in the entire calendar year. And to talk more on this, I have with me Madhu Neotia, who is also a founder of, and of course, you've conceptualized it completely. So give us an idea on how does it feel like to be in the fourth edition of it now?
We're very excited. It's still like, whenever we do the project, it's like a new baby is born. So for us, we're very excited. We're very anxious. We're also having our, panic moments. But yes, we're really looking forward to it. It's from 13th to 16th of December. And
what's so special about it, and what's new this year on the platter for everyone who's attending it?
I think every year there are new participants, new performers, new food, new experience, new decor, new look, new feel, new people. And a lot of new people also come from outside Calcutta. Like 95% of our participants are from outside Calcutta. So whether it's performers, whether it is the participants from lifestyle or fashion, even the people who are coming to, we've invited a lot of people who are thinkers, intellectuals, people who are in the design space. We've invited a lot of them for one or two conversations. So, yes.
Also, it will be a part of the India Today Art Awards, making it so special and unique, and being on the same platform and giving away and acknowledging talent in that forte. How does it feel like?
We are so privileged to have the India Today Art Awards with us at the India Story. And it was such a wonderful time we had last year. And also the kind of work that the India Today Art Awards is doing in recognizing talents in the art. And, and also the way they have put the project together where fashion and art also meets together. I think it's a very commendable and it's a very novel project.
Give us an idea on what's new for men and women, not just about lifestyle, fashion store, but also almost everything. You've got a variety of everything. Give me a handbook for people.
So like for example, if I have to look at the men section, we have like Sukhed Dheer, we have Pero, we have Bhani, we have Andamans. So we have so many different kinds of men. But at the same time, we have a lifestyle section, which is so interesting because we found over the years, the men always used to crib that, it's always it's a women's place, not for men. So we decided that we're going to create a section which is lifestyle, which is all furniture and home. And, and I think every woman wants to take her husband's or a man's opinion where a home is concerned in doing it up and furniture. So we decided to dedicate the lifestyle to men. And that's where we put the men's section. So the men can be busy with their, and they don't keep telling the wives, let's go home. The wives can be busy with their section, which is the women's section, which is the fashion.
But interestingly, there will be some gyan from tarot readers and other aura cleansers also, so that you handle your relationships also in the perfect way. And that's what it is all about, India Story, making it so special, not only from Kolkata, for Kolkata, but also for India. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.